This Korean word has no English translation. A company dinner in Seoul. The boss tells a joke. It's not funny. Everyone laughs anyway, at exactly the same moment. How? One invisible skill.
눈치.
By the end of this video, you'll have it too. Part 1. What is Nunchi? Nunchi, 2 syllables.
눈.
Nun. The eye.
치.
Chi, a measure. Eye measure, the ability to read a room without a single word being said. English needs a whole sentence for this. Korean needs one word. Say it with me.
눈치.
Nunchi is not mind reading. It's noticing. The pause before an answer. The glance between friends. The mood of a room the moment you walk in. Part 2. The 2 faces of Nunchi. Nunchi comes in 2 flavors. Fast and missing.
눈치가 빨라요.
Your Nunchi is fast. This is a real compliment. You read the mood and acted before anyone had to ask.
눈치가 없어요.
You have no Nunchi. Careful, this one stings. It means you made everyone uncomfortable and didn't even notice. Same word, opposite worlds. Part 3. 5 ways Koreans actually use it, starting today.
눈치 좀 봐.
Read the room. A friend whispers this when you're about to say exactly the wrong thing.
눈치 좀 봐. 눈치가 보여요.
I feel their eyes on me. It's 6 o'clock, your work is done, but the boss is still typing. You want to leave, you can't.
눈치가 보여요. 눈치챘어?
Did you notice? Did you catch it? The haircut, the new couple, the thing nobody announced.
눈치챘어? 눈치밥 먹었어요.
Literally, I ate nunchi rice. It means living somewhere you weren't quite welcome, measuring every bite.
눈치밥 먹었어요. 눈치 게임.
Yes, it's also a real party game. Count up from 1, no order, no signals. 2 people shout the same number, both lose. Pure nunchi. Quiz time. 5 questions. Answer out loud before the brush finishes. Question 1. Your friend reads the mood instantly. Their nunchi is...
눈치가 빨라요.
Question 2. Your work is done, but the boss is watching. You feel?
눈치가 보여요.
Question 3. Your friend is about to say the wrong thing. You whisper?
눈치 좀 봐.
Question 4. Years in a house where you weren't welcome. You say?
눈치밥 먹었어요.
Last one. The haircut nobody mentioned. You ask your friend?
눈치챘어?
5 for 5? Then your nunchi is already fast. Part 4. Make it yours. Repeat after me, slowly first. First sentence. I catch on fast.
저는 눈치가 빨라요.
Again at full speed.
저는 눈치가 빨라요. 저는 눈치가 빨라요.
Second sentence. For a friend who apologizes too much. Stop worrying what they think.
눈치 보지 마.
Full speed.
눈치 보지 마. 눈치 보지 마.
Last one. A compliment for your quickest friend. You catch on fast.
눈치 빠르네.
Full speed and mean it.
눈치 빠르네. 눈치 빠르네.
Part 5. Why does this word exist in Korean and not in English? Korea is a high context culture. What is not said matters as much as what is. For centuries, shared homes, shared tables, shared silence. You lived well by noticing. That's why Nunchi sits next to words like chung, bonds that grow without being spoken. That one is a whole other video. And here's the part most people miss. Nunchi, at its best, isn't anxiety, it's consideration. Noticing what someone needs before they have to ask. Koreans have a proverb about this.
눈치가 빠르면 절에 가도 젓갈을 얻어먹는다.
With quick nunchi, you'll be served salted fish, even at a Buddhist temple. Temples don't serve fish, that's the point. Nunchi opens doors that don't even exist. 9 expressions, 1 word. That is entry number 1 in your Damhwa Dictionary. Your first stamp.
눈치,
1 word closer.